This is a video to show you some of the products I use on my virgin hair, so continue watching to see all of that. Thank you. Alright, hey YouTube, this is Schalathia Nikole, and I want to come and show you guys some of the products I use on my Brazilian virgin body waves I got from Queen Weave Beauty Ltd at AliExpress.com. I use all the Arganol line from Cream of Nature. This is a sulfate-free shampoo, and it was $4.50. I use the oil, and I'm out of that. I use the leave-in conditioner, and also the intensive conditioning treatment after I wash my hair. And that's about it. And other than that, I'll flexi ride it. Or if I want my curls to last a minute, I will curl them and use Marcel wax. If you do hair, you know what Marcel wax is. It holds your curl for like a week, and you don't have no frizziness or nothing. Your curls just there. Like, you could go to sleep, wake up, and your curls are there. So Marcel wax, I don't use spritz or anything. So yeah, my hair should.
You gotta be white or black. See, I've realized when it comes to sin, you just don't compromise. See, it's a matter of death and life. Be weak and do wrong, or be strong and do right. And I don't wanna keep going to church, singing all about how much you're worth, and then continue doing my dirt, living as if I didn't care if you're hurt. Cause if it's God that I'm after, I just can't serve two masters. And before something happens,
and those of you who follow me on Instagram has already gotten pictures before this video is being posted. So go follow me on Instagram at Schalathia Nikole. And if you want to see how I achieve this eyeshadow look, it's in my videos. It's the neutral color cut crease. So yeah, go check that out to achieve this look. And that's about it, you guys. Deuces.